Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this flyer with PixelLab or Canva. So first, you set your image size, then you set your background. Now let's use torn paper to begin our design. I downloaded the torn paper from Google, so if you're using Canva, you can just search for paper. So let's remove or erase the white part of the paper and the paper and duplicate, just like I'm doing. Make one of the duplicates white and set it behind the other one. And then move the top one up a little and then merge the two to create a new torn paper. Haunted by my mind, victim or the prey, everything is fine. Take me to my grave, bury me alive, keeping me astray. Hard to say goodbye to who I am today. Haunted by my mind, victim or the prey, everything is fine. Take me to create new shape duplicates and merge them with different colors. Duplicate those and rotate them just a little. Now, let's go ahead and import our images. Mirrors on the wall, staring back at me, stranger in the hall, frozen by the scene, portraits seem to fade, he lost his centerpiece, can't recall his face, I hope he'll rest in peace. Haunted by my mind, victim or the prey, everything is fine. Take me to my grave, bury me, and merge them so it becomes just one big beautiful image. I am today.
hope you learned a lot and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and see you next time.